This is our walking tour of 6859 East Flossmoor Avenue in Mesa, Arizona. As we enter the front door just to the right, we have our living room. Just to the left, we have our kitchen that has recently been remodeled with white shaker cabinets, stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, large pantry with barn door. The hallway, we have a coat closet, 3 bedrooms down the hallway here. Closet at the end of this hallway. This is our primary bedroom. Large walk-in closet here. Here we have our primary bathroom. Our shower, toilet and vanity. And just across from the other 2 bedrooms, we have our hall bathroom with vanity and tub, tile surround. This is a neat little thing they did here with open cubby holes in the hallway for extra storage. I'm going to pass back through the kitchen to the dining room. And this takes us out to the backyard. A large covered porch here. And a huge, enormous backyard. Just back inside, we have our laundry room, hot water heater, some extra storage cabinets, and this is a sunroom, just some bonus space. And just in front of our dining room is our garage. Lock the door here. And back to the kitchen, and that completes our tour.